Think about this. Your video is sharp, your audio is crisp, but your subtitles? Choosing the right subtitle color isn't just about looks. It's about accessibility, contrast, and completely transform the vibe of your video. Good day, guys! Welcome back to the Auris AI channel, your space to localize your content and reach more audiences with AI. I'm Henry, and today we're diving into a quick but powerful tip: customizing your subtitle font color to match your vibe, your brand, or just to boost readability. Open your browser and go to the Auris AI homepage. Log into your account. Don't have one? Click Sign Up. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the Files tab on the top or side menu. Click Select File from your computer, or simply drag and drop your file into the upload area. You have two ways to add subtitles. First, to transcribe, and choose the correct language for your video. Auris AI will automatically transcribe the audio into subtitle text. Second, if you already have subtitles, click Upload SRT file. Once your file is uploaded and subtitles are added, you'll be redirected to the editor screen. Here you can view your video alongside the subtitle timeline. In the left side toolbar, click Font to reveal style options. Select Text Color. You have two options to pick your subtitle color. First, use a custom hex code. Paste the hex code to match your brand identity. Second, choose from Auris AI's palette pick from the pre-made color options provided by the platform. Once selected, the chosen font color will be applied automatically to all subtitles in the video. Want to highlight certain words or phrases in a different color? You can select specific subtitle texts and apply different colors, perfect for branding or emphasis. Here are some top recommended subtitle colors for optimal readability. White, best for dark videos. White works great against dark backgrounds, offering clear readability without too much contrast. Yellow, perfect for contrast on dark backgrounds. Yellow subtitles stand out and are easy to read when placed on dark footage. Black, ideal for light backgrounds. Black text provides strong contrast on lighter backgrounds, ensuring clarity. Cyan, excellent for high contrast. Cyan offers high contrast, especially on darker footage, making it pop for viewers. Bright green, great for night mode videos. Bright green works well for videos with a night mode aesthetic, providing visibility in darker scenes.